Okay, so I'm now at INA metro station and going towards Pink Line because now we have a metro station that is called Sarojini Nagar metro station, which will lead you to the right place. So let's go. So इसके पहले कि हम आगे बढ़े इस वीडियो के लिए ये हुआ. Have a look. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to Deep Things. I'm Deepshikha and right now I'm in the cab and heading towards Sarojini, so I'll see you there. Hi again. So I'm at Sarojini Nagar metro station. I'm loaded with the stuff. The market was so crowded because it's Sunday, so I couldn't shoot the footage for the market. But now I'm at Sarojini Nagar metro station heading home. This is what, 8:30 in the evening, and I'm going to show you what all I get, so stay tuned for that. Hello everyone, welcome back again. जैसा कि आपको टाइटल से पहले ही पता है कि this is going to be a Sarojini Nagar haul और this video is going to be in Hindi and English mix, both of the languages, because the idea is to reach to the mass. और please मुझे बताओ comment section में if you like me to do the videos in Hindi. Now let's get started with today's shopping because who has the time to waste? So I have everything in this huge pantaloons bag. Don't get scared, this is not a pantaloons haul. This is a Sarojini Nagar haul for sure. But मेरे पास से ज़्यादा बड़ा कोई बैग नहीं था to keep everything else. So मैंने सब कुछ इसमें डाल दिया है. Now I'm going to show you each and every piece that I got from Sarojini. This time Sarojini was flooded with spring and summer clothes because already March खत्म हो गया है and it's humid and hot outside, like it's burning outside already. So everything I got in this haul is easy breezy, summery and flowy. So let's begin with what all I get. Okay, I'm going to keep it down somewhere. Okay, so the minimum range आज के clothing haul में is 50 rupees and the maximum range is 300 rupees. That means everything is in budget. मैं बस एक के बाद एक random stuff उठाऊंगी and I'm going to tell you from where I got it and what the price is. So let's begin. So first item I got is this red and black check dress. This is up to knee length dress और इसके साथ में एक attached belt भी है. This dress is like so summery, but it is also so comfortable. I just love this dress. So I got this dress from a fixed price shop for 200 bucks. So I think 200 rupees is a good deal for this dress. And I'm going to wear it using some sneakers, white sneakers or black sneakers maybe, and some hoop earrings, a kajal, and I'm good to go. Up next is no guess. I got two belts. Again, यार मैं belts को इतनी जल्दी खो देती हूँ. Like मैंने पहले भी कहा था, I need belts all the time, and I always get one black and one maroon or brown belt because they go with everything else. And I am a corporate slave, so I need to wear a lot of trousers and jeans on regular basis. So I need belts. Like they are life saviors for me. So every single time I got good sort of belts, I get it. I got these two belts for 100 rupees और उसके बाद आगे जाने के बाद one guy was giving me the belts 100 में 3. So I thought कि क्या मैंने थोड़ा महंगा ले लिया है. But again, it's Sarojini. It's all depend on your luck कि आप कितना सस्ता ले पाते हो. But I got these two for 100 rupees and I think अगर मैं इसको एक महीना भी लगा लेती हूँ, I'm very good. So up next I have got this top. This is very summery top. You know, very see-through, very sheer top. मतलब ये उन टॉप्स में से है कि you just need this top, denim, black or white, depends on your choice, hoop earrings, lipstick, and this summer you can rock it everywhere. This is sleeveless also, so I'm kind of person who does not wear sleeveless that often, but choice is up to you. I generally wear something underneath or I just have sleeves, but this top I'm going to wear as it is and I'm loving it. What do you think? So 150 for this again is a steal. Next top again from same shop for same price, 150 rupees. This black and white striped top. This is, you know, this goes up to your belly and again sleeveless, very summery. But you can never go wrong with black and white. They go with everything, and I think this summer I'm really going to wear Sarojini Nagar stuff. I'm not a person who wears a lot of Sarojini stuff. I do not even have them in my wardrobe. But अगर इतने अच्छे कपड़े इतने सस्ते प्राइस में मिल रहे हैं तो who doesn't want to wear it? Because you know, once or twice you wear few things and you just then keep it in the pile and forget about it. So अगर 150 में आपको टॉप मिल रहा है, आपने 2 बार पहना है, and that is again very good thing. I like it. It has got a pipe into it also. इस हॉल में आपको बहुत सारे white कपड़े दिखने वाले हैं. So yes, I like white a lot. Having said that, I like white a lot. Up next is a white shirt. This is a white ruffle shirt, and yeah, मैंने देखते ही I fall in love with this. So maybe people does not like it, and it is not people's choice, but I like. You can never go wrong with white, yaar. White, you can never have enough white shirts or t-shirts in your wardrobe. Trust me, white goes for everything and anything. This white ruffled shirt just for 150 rupees, and I got these 3 tops from the same shop, and then मेरी नजर पड़ी एक dress पे that was a bit dirty in the same pile, like 150 rupees के pile में, and मैंने I started bargaining with the shopkeeper, so I bargained a lot, and then I got 4 things for 500 rupees. That means I got a dress just for 50 bucks. This is going to be the cheapest item in my entire wardrobe, in my life. This is going to be the cheapest clothing item that I own from now onwards. So this is a pink dress. I don't know if the camera is picking up the right color or not, but this again is a midi dress. It's pink in color. I washed it already. The key to wear Sarojini Nagar clothes is to wash them always before you wear it. So this dress I just got for 50 rupees, and this has got very nice, you know, if you can see, very nice texture to it, and this texture is even making it more suitable for me. And I'm going to wear this using a belt to my mid-ends, and yeah, maybe heels, maybe shoes, depends on what mood I am in. Okay, up next I have 3 items left, and everything that I left is white in color. I got a t-shirt, again white. It has got stars to this, and this t-shirt has written Vero Moda over here. This t-shirt I got for 150. So the deal is, अगर आप सरोजनी के एंड तक जाते हो तो वहाँ पर आपको you will find these piles जहाँ पर ये सारे t-shirts टंगी होती हैं, and these are for 150 bucks. I already own 3 t-shirts from the same pile, and I do wear them a lot, and I do have one Vero Moda t-shirt originally, and I do not find much difference to them. So I think yaar 150 rupees for a t-shirt, and this is a cute white t-shirt, again got stars to it. So yes, I got it. So कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि bargaining के चक्कर में आपसे कुछ चला जाता है. So I might have 2 shirts by now, but एक पे मैंने bargain थोड़ा ज्यादा कर लिया था, and I walk off, and जो लड़की मेरे पीछे थी 10 रुपए बढ़ा के उस शर्ट को ले गई, and I felt so bad because that was a Disney shirt. But nevertheless, I got another shirt, which is this shirt. This is a plain white shirt which has यहाँ पर embroidery, and this has a tie-up details to it. And I think again I own a lot of white shirts, and this is something very casual, you know. I can go out with friends and can wear it, and this is totally my look. Yeah, मैंने इस बार सरोजनी से जो भी लिया है ना, I know that I'm going to wear it. Okay, so now I have just one last thing, because I have saved the best for the last. I've got a denim jacket in white color just for 300 bucks. Can you believe it? Yes, I've got it. So this is the denim jacket. I'm going to wear it a lot. Like, wow, this is it. I own a white denim jacket finally just for 300 bucks. So this is the jacket. It has got these buttons to it, जो मैं change करने वाली हूँ because I don't like these buttons a lot. But yes, this is again a nice summery jacket. So this was all for my Sarojini Nagar haul. You tell me which clothing item you like the most or which I should wear the most. मैं और shopping करती, but मेरा cash खत्म हो गया था, and it was a Sunday. That means it was very crowded as hell. I could have died, but I didn't die. I'm still here and sharing my Sarojini haul with you. Up next in my bucket list is Lajpat Nagar and Dilli Haat. So stay tuned for that. You know what you need to do for that. Like, share and subscribe and show all the love to my channel. How do you like my background? This all is Sabyasachi because I love it. And these are the cutouts from Vogue. If you want me to do a room decor kind of video in budget, then please let me know in the comment section down below. Don't go anywhere. Bloopers are in the end. Bye. Boom. So this is all the stuff that I got from Sarojini.